Hey YouTube, got a problem here. I've had this variegated Schefflerais for about 3 weeks. I got her from, I believe it was Lowe's or maybe Home Depot. A week after I got her, I repotted her in this planter, and she was upstairs in my bedroom, which is a north-facing window. She started dropping her leaves like crazy every morning, 2 handfuls of leaves. So um, after about a week in my room, I brought her downstairs and I placed her here, which is the south facing window. And here we go. What did she get from over there? I don't know what the problem is. Um, her soil is not oversaturated. It's not dry. There's no vent here. Um, there's no breeze from the window. I'm lost. I don't know what could be going on here. So if you guys can offer any advice, anything, would be greatly appreciated. Thanks again.